Help learners prepare for future assessments by allowing them to review completed quiz submissions. This tutorial shows how to customize the submission view for a quiz. To begin, from Quizzes, click the context menu of the quiz you want to edit, and select Edit. Then, click the Submission Views tab. You can customize the submission view by editing the default view or adding an additional view for an assessment. For this example, click Add Additional View. Enter a name and a message. Then, you can set up viewing restrictions, including the time the past quiz submission will be available to learners, and restricting the viewership to the IP that the quiz was completed on. Next, navigate to the View Details section. You can limit how long the past quiz submission is available to learners once they've completed the assessment. In the View Details section, you can choose what information learners can view, including questions answered incorrectly, questions answered correctly, questions without a response, and show questions with a response, regardless of being correct. You can further customize this by opting to display the correct question answers and the points value of a question. For this example, we will show the questions a learner answered incorrectly, the correct answers, and the scoring. Navigate to the Statistics section. Here you can choose whether to display the class average and the score distribution to learners. When you are ready, click Save. Lastly, click Save and Close. Now, when a user completes a quiz or opens the quiz submissions page, they will have access to the questions they got wrong and the correct answers. Help learners prepare for future assessments by allowing them to review completed quiz submissions.